Hello kids, welcome to Uma's Knowledge Park. Today we are going to play a super fun game. It is called the Mystery Box Game. Inside the box there are many surprises. I will give you the clue and you have to guess what's inside. So are you ready kids? Let's play. Round 1. It is red, it is round, we can eat it. Guess what is this kids? Yes, it's an apple. Yummy and healthy. Next mystery. It is yellow. It is long. Monkey loves it. Guess kids, what is it? Yes, it's banana. So sweet and tasty. Let's go again. It is green. It is round. It can be sour. Think carefully, kids. It's lemon, sour but healthy. New mystery box. It is animal. It says meow. It likes milk. Guess who is it? Yes, it's a cat. So cute. Ready for more? It is big. It has a long trunk. It is grey. Yes, it's an elephant. Wow, so strong. Let's try something fun. It is a vehicle. It has two wheels. We wear a helmet. Guess it. What is it? Yes, it's a bike. Zoom zoom. Next mystery, it is blue, it's in the sky, it gives us rain. What is it? Yes, it's a cloud. Rainy fun. Here comes another one. It is used in school. We write with it. It erases mistakes. What is it? It's a pencil. Let's learn and try it. Another one. It is sweet. It loves it. It melts easily. Guess kid, what is it? Yes, it's chocolate. Very yummy and very tasty. Last mystery, it shines in the sky. If we see it at night, it is not the sun. Guess kids, what is it? It's a moon, so beautiful. Wow kids, you did an amazing job. You are now mystery box champion. So kids, tell me in the comment box which mystery was your favorite. So if you like this video kids, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video.